Here I have DOOGEE N30, and today I'm going to show you the fingerprint sensor speed test. So I'm just going to lock and unlock device with my fingerprint, and you will see like how fast it can like read my fingerprint and unlock my device. So here we go. Not recognized. Wow. I don't know, maybe I did it wrong, but like it not recognizing my finger from the first try, unfortunately. But from the second try it's always like recognizing it. Here I have the fingerprint sensor. A few more tries. So yeah, that's how it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.